Yo, people, something wicked happened to me. And I swear, me happy telling them. But me not put it on Facebook, but me happy telling them. Yo, me always hear my friend them talk say, yo, Bahamas nice. You see what me I say? And me always see my friend them as them come, them spend 2 weeks and 1 week at Jamaica. Them go back. So, them I say, yo dog, get your passport. Get your passport. So me didn't know one me I say, you know so me I get my passport and them thing there. Boom now, me go get my passport, you know. Because as you can see now, say, me not shave anything there, so me I say me I turn rasta and them thing there, you see me? You see me I say, but me still have to go shave though because something really happen. Can't turn rasta again. Me got Bahamas now, you know, and me I tell you say, a tree pretty girl can receive me, you know, at the airport, at Bahamas airport, you know. Boy, me never know so now. The girl them over there, them love Jamaican and them thing there. See me because yo, my pants well tight and my shirt well neat and me got the fat diamond ring for finger and ears in fat in the ears and them thing there, you see me? And me do a party and a dance and a wine and them thing and I put on some wicked wine and them thing there, no dog. Yo, me I tell you people, books now in the youth. They the club and I drink up a whole heap of liquor them, you know. Yeah, I drink up a whole heap of liquor them and them thing there. And you don't know, man, a real Jamaican and you see me I say, if this song Aisha and I sing, me I burn out the song there. You see me I say, me I burn out the song there because me not like the song there. You see me I say, me don't like the song there. So anyway, people, you go give you a joke. Boops now, cheer girl them love me up and anything there, you know. You see me I say, so Boops now have a guy party and day party, a rock and party, nice and liquor, drink and liquor, sweet, you see me? John know me tell a star. And at the 3 o'clock in the morning, I go down to 4 o'clock, you know, we go home, you know. You see me I say, people, and John would dog, me tell her, say, 3 girl and they are plan for me, and I never know, you know. Me a give you a joke. You don't know wait, me a give you a joke. Me a tell you a joke. Yo, me tell you say, 3 girl, them, man. Can me got them yard that I yard when me left Jamaica and go. So, the girl, them put me on the bed now, man, and rub me down and caress me body and them thing there, and me tell you say, yo, you feel nice. Cause bad man never get 3 girl for rubbing me to the dog. Me tell you say, yo, me tell you say, 3 girl, them rub me down in the man, and you see me I say, rub down me hand. You see me I say, rub down me hand, and then go so, boom, young here, handcuff me and them to blouse and skirt. So, 2 man always watch them movie thing there with them white girl, handcuff them and them and ride them off and ride them off and ride them off and ride them off. You say, hey, a 3 girl gonna ride me off now, you know, man. I go, yo, girl, I'm all tape on the foot them too, you know, dog. And me say, yes. Yes, a 3 girl gonna ride me off and rape me that one because it feel nice. And me I get the rape with the car, we never get the rape get to the man. You man, go so boop, no one did that one. Feel nice and, you know, say big boy and a deep so. You see me, I say me all exercise in the bed, say the man. Even though me and them can't move, but me put them can't exercise in the bed, the man. Jesus Christ, people. Only God could have tell anybody girl them to me. People. The girl them sit down in my face and put on some rascal white. People. All in me lock me mouth so. I'm in an opinion. People. Me say the girl them go, I go transform and come back with some rascal whip. And when they whip me rass and they slap up me blood clot with some lick. People, the lick them so hot, not even pan never lick me so people. The only thing me have to do is stop get lick, if you just lead on and just stop up my tongue so. And people, and true me no want get no lick, me tick out the tongue. People, shadow star. I say, boom, boom, well, sweet with taste. Hey, you sweet. Hey, boom, boom, sweet with taste. I say, we like up my tongue. And they sit down for the other boy and they want me to tell her, say, it's nice. I shine and me rate you, girl. Me rate you. Where you there? Yo, dog. Yeah, tell you. As a pum pum we sweet. You sweet till man all and me and a licky. Yo, dog. Wow. Yo, we say wow. People, I choose it. You tell us still here. And I tell nobody say we tell you in the ear, not tell nobody say we tell you now. Be God. Because I'm not to go for Facebook, so. Anytime I do more, I tell you again here. Be God.